Today, boys and girls, we are going to work on Chapter 8, Lesson 5, Fractions on a Number Line.
The essential question for this lesson is, how can you represent and locate fractions on a number line?
Now, let's begin by taking a look at this word problem. Billy's family is traveling from his house to his grandma's house. They stop at gas stations when they are 1/4 and 3/4 of the way there. How can he represent those distances on a number line? You can use a number line to show fractions. The length from one whole number to the next whole number represents one whole. The line can be divided into any number of equal parts or lengths. Since this problem says that Billy's family stopped at gas stations when they were 1/4 and 3/4 of the way there, let's divide this number line into 4 equal lengths or fourths. We have 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4, because we know that 4/4 is equal to one whole. I'm also going to label the fourths at the bottom of the number line. At the end of my 1/4, I'm going to write the fraction 1/4. When I come to the end of the second fourth, I'm going to label it 2/4, and so on. 3/4 and 4/4 is already on the number line for us. Now, draw a point at 1/4 to represent the distance from 0 to 1/4, which was the first stop that the family made. Next, draw a point at the 3/4 to represent the distance from 0 to 3/4. 3/4 is the second stop that the family made.
Next, let's complete the number line to name this point. This number line is divided into 6 equal lengths, or sixths. The length of one equal part is 1/6. We will begin at 0/6. I will shade the fraction strips from the 0/6 all the way to the point. 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6. So there are 5 out of 6 equal lengths shaded. So this shaded length shows 5/6. So that means that 5/6 names the point. That's all for this lesson. Bye now.